Hello everyone, my husband and I have been craving some kimchi lately, so I'm going to make us a batch that should last us a month or so. We're going to start cutting out a napa cabbage into 6 even pieces, cutting only the stem and breaking it apart towards the leaflets. I'm going to salt my napa cabbage. Usually I would use sea salt, however I don't have any, so all I'm using is iodized salt today. Then I'm going to add some water until it reaches the top of the napa cabbage. Unfortunately, this is my biggest bowl and it's still not big enough. Now all we need to do is cover it and wait for 24 hours. I'm also going to add some radish into my kimchi. I'm going to peel and dice it, add some salt, water, and wait 24 hours as well. After 24 hours, you'll know your cabbage is ready when you try to fold it and it doesn't break on you. The radish, there's no difference, but we're going to trust the process and hopefully this works. Now let's make our marinade. We're going to start out with 2 cups of water, 1/2 cup of rice flour, mix it, and we're just going to heat it up until it becomes milky and thick. This is the consistency that we are looking for. Let's place our rice slurry into our mixing bowl and then we'll add our other ingredients as well. I'm going to chop in about 2 bunches of green onion, about 2 inches long. Next, we're going to julienne cut about 4 carrots. We're also going to julienne cut 1 cup of ginger. And then cutting our Asian pear and yellow onion into smaller pieces so we can start blending it. First, we're going to blend some dried shrimp and add that into our mixing bowl. Then we'll start blending our yellow onion, our Asian pears, and our garlic. And I use about 2 handfuls of garlic here. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of red pepper flakes, 5 tablespoons of the gochujang pepper paste, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of your sauce. Mix it well. Adding in our diced radishes. Now we'll rub our mixture all over our napa cabbage on every leaflet and trying to be as generous as we can. I have this container that I got from H-Mart. I'm going to place my kimchi here, leave it out for about 3 days, and then I'll place it into my fridge. Look forward to me making a delicious tofu soup out of our homemade kimchi. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.